Guilty plea from an Ozarks mom charged in her 19-year-old son's death. Kimberly Lightwine took a plea agreement today. Polk County case was moved to Benton County, where Linda Russell sat in on today's hearing.
Kimberly Lightwine was previously charged with second-degree murder in her son Austin's death, but today she accepted a plea agreement, pleading guilty to involuntary manslaughter.
August 29, 2016, Kimberly Lightwine was found lying in a Polk County field near the body of her 19-year-old disabled son, Austin Anderson. He died of dehydration and from not receiving vital medications. Today, with plenty of tears, Lightwine admitted fault in Austin's death.
It's tough stuff to acknowledge this kind of responsibility.
Lightwine appeared in court recovering from a jaw surgery that stemmed from her injuries suffered before being found in the field. Coatney says Lightwine chose to plead guilty to the manslaughter charge because it acknowledges that Austin's death was not intentional. The prosecution agreed.
This was a reckless behavior on her part. It wasn't that she intentionally killed her son.
She does believe that there were other people involved that inflicted violence upon her that caused her to not be able to deliver the aid and treatment that her son needed. But under the circumstances, she acknowledged her involvement with these people certainly led to these consequences.
Coatney says Lightwine still has gaps in her memory and encryption problems kept them from going through her phone. But the prosecutor says witnesses, two Morrisville teachers, did see Lightwine in the area where she was found about 2 days before.
And they talked to her and said she acted kind of strange. She's asking for a particular person that we knew to be in prison at that point, and she wanted to know if he's over there.
Coatney says though it's not easy, Kimberly Lightwine is ready to accept responsibility and move on.
She's got a hole in her heart. She wakes up every day thinking about her son, worrying about her conduct and his demise.
Lightwine's formal sentencing has now been set for June 29th, but she already knows her sentence will be 7 years on each count, both running together. However, she'll go through a 120-day treatment program at the Department of Corrections for substance abuse and life skills, and if she does well enough, she could then be released on 5 years supervised probation. Reporting in Benton County, I'm Linda Russell.